Mystical Rancang Kencono, a legacy of historical greatness. From prehistoric megalith to Mataram Kingdom era, until the freedom struggle of Indonesia. Mysterious and magical. Terminalia Adalah will welcome you to explore this wonderful ancient cave. A celebration of remarkable heritage and the outstanding values behind, where art absorbed the audience. So wonderful. Enjoy the natural kindness and branded hospitality in Tembi Homestay, sustaining heritage. Tradition come in style. Amazing old architecture. Pictures villages. This is life in amazing setting with an enormous story to tell. A life preserve of generations to come. In this wonderful hidden paradise in Gunungkidul, Yogyakarta, Srigethuk, a breathtaking landscape. Here, waterways are highway in Oyo River. It will take you to enjoy the amazing waterfall. Pristine. The sound of the water will breaking your consistence. A meaningful journey. A heaven for water adventures lovers. Generously welcome to you to experience in a lifetime. The wonderful Rancang Kencono, Tembi Homestay, and Srigethuk Waterfall. It's a journey, not a destination.